We're still tracking a flood warning for Lauderdale. Flooding is the primary concern. We'll continue monitoring these systems and keep you updated. Cullman, Alabama is the warmest at 84 degrees, while Huntsville, Alabama is the coolest at 78 degrees. Approximately 92,000 people in the Warren County